Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to upload Excel file to Google Sheets. So let's go quick into the process. So I have this Google Sheets. Now how can we upload an Excel file into here? Now you will notice the tabs right here at the top. You have the File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help. Then we have to click on the first tab, which is the File tab. Click on that. And here in the list of options, you will find Import. Click on that. And this window will appear. You have here My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and Upload. Click on Upload. And then you have here to click on Browse. Then you need to locate for the location of your Excel file. Now I have this saved in my desktop. This one. Click on that. And then click on Open. And then click on this drop down arrow, and then you have two options right here. You have three options: create new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, or replace the spreadsheet. You can create a new spreadsheet if you want to. You can insert this as a spreadsheet. You can also replace your spreadsheet with this one, but it's up to you. So I'm just going to go with the second option, insert new spreadsheet. You can also import theme, replaces current theme, important theme, maybe have slight differences. You can also check that. If you don't want to, you can also uncheck that and click on import data. And there you go. You have just uploaded an Excel file into your Google Sheets. Now that is for the second option, right? So let's try with the first option. Again, click on File, click on Import, click on Upload, browse for the location, Desktop, Excel, click on Open. Click on this drop down arrow, and then let's choose the first option, Create New Spreadsheet. Click on Import Data. Okay. And now you have created a new spreadsheet with your Excel file. So the good thing about what we have chosen first as the insert new sheet is that we are just going to insert a new sheet. Like this one, sheet 1 and sheet 2 in here. But if we're going to choose create new spreadsheet, you are going to create another spreadsheet or Google Sheet. Just like the second method that we have done using the first option. So you can really use the second option, which is to insert new sheet. And then you can simply just add the Excel file into your one Google file or Google Sheets, just by adding a new sheet and not another Google file or Google Sheets file. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.